here is my next project. It's a 96 Ford F150. It's been sitting in a cow pasture for a few years, maybe about 3 or 4, I guess. It's pretty dirty right at the moment. You see the cows splattered all over it. Basically what I do, this one is I got to get her all cleaned up, running good. It's got a miss on number 6 cylinder. I've replaced the cap, rotor, wires, plugs. Still got a miss, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have to pull it apart and check the fuel injector. It's got to be all cleaned up inside. This vehicle has 217,984.2 miles on it. It has the 4.9 6-cylinder engine. So I gotta probably remove all this stuff on the top to get to the fuel injector back here, which I think is probably the problem. Hope it's nothing worse than that. So gonna be replacing belts, hoses, all that stuff, oil change of course. Probably gonna have to do a brake job on it, and whatever I find as I go along. So I'll get some before and after pictures, and then go from there. I got to take this rack off of it. Probably try to sell it. And there is a big toolbox in the back. Oh, now I have one-handed, I can't get that off, but that there I thought was a tank when I first looked at it, and I realized it's a toolbox. So I'll probably sell that or do something with that, or maybe put it in my garage and if ever need be use my truck. But it's going to take a lot of cleaning. I'm going to get it cleaned up a little bit first before I work on it, because all the cow manure and stuff on it. So there we go. That's going to be the next project. This is kind of the before. And I'll probably make a video pulling that apart to get to that fuel injector, see if that fixes that, and we'll go from there. Catch you later. Bye.